wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you guys can see, we're back at it again, but this time with some color and a sharp, edgy looking vibe going on. Today we are doing a bob unit from this company I've actually never worked with before, Dorsanee hair. This is what the box looks like, and I am living for it. They took me out of my comfort zone. They done got your girl cutting, snipping away, but I love it. This unit is really nice and affordable. It is their 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig. It is full 13x4, so girl, you guys saw when I parted it, it was 4 inches here. Girl, it's even 4 inches here. So if you want to flip this over or do some crazy style where you just have a whole bunch of parting space, it is definitely achievable. And if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless install, when I say glueless, I mean glueless, sister. Like, I could put the comb in there, it stays. I could even go as far as lifting, goes back down, really nice and easy. And this unit is just one of them grab and go units, so if you'd like to see how I install this unit, just keep on watching. The links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box below, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
More than ever, life is all what you make.
closing the curtain on the pool's like a banner. Might mess around and get a room with the lights. Got faded and I flew to Miami. I think I lost my visa. Never been the type that wanna be right, I wanna live life. Some say I'm psycho, but this shit here going cycles. Tell all my rivals, say that drama for your mama. Smoking ganja with my partner, seen the bad one in the lobby, had to stop. She wants sex so good it make a tear fall. Prancing around in that lid talk. When you're not around, I go through withdrawals. Withdrawals without draws, don't matter at all, and I take it all shit.
Lately I've been feeling restless. I try my best just to ignore all the nonsense. If only I can manifest it. My mama told me life is yours for the taking. We've been working way too hard. I done live a little more. Gotta put my family on. I didn't mean no more job. It's kinda real good ride. Pasadena through the shit since about 02. Feeling right, feeling right, feeling right. Feeling life, it's alive. Feeling free, feeling right. It's alive, feeling right. Up in the wind, just to see to the ocean. Now that we're done, we don't even know. Listen out to the doors, so I'm free. Get better.
If you are going for a natural vibe or a natural look, you can keep it as is. Usually I will go in, and because this bob is literally glueless, right, I will go in, take the unit off, chop the back so it's like, you know, leveled, and then I'll do the front. But I'll do the front now and then do the back later. So because we have like a little layered effect going on here, it's giving natural. It's giving like, oh yeah, you just dyed your hair or you just have like a leave out, but it's like really looking natural. But I want like a edgier vibe, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it to about this length, which would just make the bob look a bit more leveled and just a bit more uniform, because honestly I feel like bobs should be sharp and bold. So let's jump into that part.
She wants sex so good it make a tear fall. Prancing around in that lid talk. When you're not around, I go through withdrawals. Withdrawals without draws, don't matter at all, and I take it all shit.
Lately I've been feeling restless. I try my best just to ignore all the nonsense. If only I can manifest it. My mama told me life is yours for the taking. We've been working way too hard. I done live a little more. Gotta put my family on. I didn't mean no more job. It's kinda real good ride. Pasadena through the shit since about 02. Feeling right, feeling right, feeling right. Feeling life, it's alive. Feeling free, feeling right. It's alive, feeling right. Up in the wind, just to see to the ocean. Now that we're done, we don't even know. Listen out to the doors, so I'm free. Get better than this. Feeling so free, feeling so high. Up in the wind, just to see to the
So as you can see, I literally just transformed the heck out of this bob. It is a 13x4 full frontal bob unit. It is from Dorsanee hair, and it is in the color Burgundy. I am living for this cut. Like, I really did that. I just took my scissors, I sat here, I was patient, and I did a thing, and I love it. This unit is 100% glueless. I literally can take this on and off whenever I feel like. I literally did not have to attach any bands. The wig, just how it is really nice and snug on my head, really nice and flat as well. And you know, like, I transformed it into about 10 to 12 inches of a bob cut, and I'm living for it. It is like really sharp, really clean. I don't usually do this with the bobs. When I get them, I just, you know, do my thing. But I decided to just style this one how I would actually wear it if I was to go outside, and I'm living for it. It eats. I'm not receiving any tangling, shedding, all that crazy stuff. This hair is really nice and full. It's looking very natural. It's really giving. Okay, so I'm so here for it, and thank you so much to Dorsanee for sending such a good quality unit. It is not HD lace, and it is giving melt without the glue and without that commitment. So this is 100% glueless. I can do that to my unit, and you know, just put it back down. If I need to melt it even more, I will use my adhesive spray and we are good to go. But girl, you could literally take this off and on. You know, you can tuck it to the side, pull out your sideburn pieces, give a little behind the ear vibes, and so on and so forth. Right now I'm rocking my bob like a bob. Okay, really pretty much straight to the point. So yeah, if you'd like to purchase this unit, which is really affordable, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.